Incorrect positions while standing or sitting and working.
खड़े या बैठ के काम करते हुए टेबल पे सब्जी काटना.
नीचे रखे चीज़ों को लेना, निकालना. केक का बैटर बनाते हुए. पीठ को गलत तरीके से रखना. मोबाइल देखते हुए.
टेबल पे काम करना लैपटॉप या कंप्यूटर पे. जोड़ों के दर्द से निपटें कैसे?
Namaste friends. This is Devyani Ghosh from Devyog Workshops channel. In the first few moments of this video, you saw a few shots of movements that we do. आप और मैं हम रोज करते हैं, जो शुरुआत तो करते हैं थोड़े वक्त के लिए for short durations. Mobile. You may take the mobile in your hand and think that चलिए एक वीडियो देखेंगे, एक मैसेज देखेंगे. I'll just see what are my WhatsApp messages. But one message, second, third, one has a video. From one video you go to another, and in between you are replying to them. There are so many things, you take ghanta. There's a whole hour which has gone by. Meanwhile, your posture has taken a beating because you are not aware of what you are doing. आप कैसे बैठे हैं? जैसे समझिए अभी अगर मैं आपके साथ बातें कर रही हूँ. Suppose I'm sitting in a position like this, where my spine is at a certain angle from my line of sight. Then what is happening is there is a twist which is happening in my spine, and I'm going to be sitting like this for extended amount of time. This is not conducive to me. In the beginning my body कुछ नहीं कहेगा. It will allow me to make that little change, but after a while it's definitely going to give signals, that maybe my neck will give that signal. So I have to, in the beginning itself, realize this is not the right thing. Whatever is my line of sight, I need to face it. इस तरह से बैठने हैं कि आप जिसे देख रहे हैं या जिसके साथ बातें कर रहे हैं, जिसे देख रहे हैं, उनकी तरफ आप देखिए 100%. सीधे सीधे, तिरछी तरफ से नहीं. Joint pains, muscles and joints are definitely going to be affected for a short while. So the longer you continue to keep your joints and muscles under strain, you certainly don't need a doctor to tell you that you are definitely going to have some or the other joint pains. So whichever is your weak area, it's going to affect that. And if none of these are your weak areas, but your weak areas are, say, your eyes, then maybe when you are in one strained position throughout and straining to read your mobile and seeing, not wanting to miss out a single movement of what is happening in that screen, your eyes, depending on which is your weak area, that is going to definitely have a health issue sooner or later. By the way, can you tell me two professions which have been kept very busy because we are glued to our gadgets, mobiles, laptops, iPads, computers? Joint pain doctors, that is orthopedic doctors, and eye doctors, the busiest people, and we have kept them busy. In our current lifestyle, we are more dependent on lifts, on escalators, instead of taking the staircase. The longer we don't exercise our knees the normal way, you do not have to go to a gym. A simple walk up and down the staircase, one walk. It's not necessary to overdo that, because that is another extreme. Be in moderation. So then you will be able to exercise your joints correctly, give them a long life, maintain health, and not have any trouble whatsoever with the joints. Longer a particular joint is under strain, whichever is your weak area will develop issues. So for example, if your neck is your trouble point, then you will be prone to get spondylosis, or if your posture is not correctly maintained, or maybe your stomach is growing a little fatter over here, so there's strain on the lower back. What will happen is the spine is going to take a beating and your lower back is you're going to develop pain over there. Maybe not today, but later on. But then the signs of it happen earlier itself. So what yoga tells us is yoga has stretches, asanas, but all that will be fine for that 1 hour, 2 hours. You will feel relieved, अच्छा लगेगा, and that pain will subside. But when you are off the mat, आपके practice के बाद, बाकी time when you are awake, if that time you are again under the same strain, the same stress, then what is going to happen is the benefits that you had got from the practice will not sustain. So what yoga tells all of us is to be mindful, moment to moment awareness. Immediately do the needful, वही कीजिए ताकि वो pain या वो discomfort कम हो जाए. Take a walk around the room and come back. The mind effect. People with joint pains, what happens is the mind is under stress. It could be some fears, some anxiety, koi worries, something or the other is always there, and because of that the muscles and joints are under strain. We may not realize it, वो हमें पता नहीं चलता, लेकिन वो है. पता है आपको, तो फिर आप उसको सुधारिए. Try to get out of that. If you are aware that yes, I am like that, try to come out of it. Focus on the present moment. So come back to what you are doing. Relax. That relaxation has to start here. Taking life as it comes, taking each person as they are, accepting others too. We cannot change anyone else. So if that is the case, might as well accept how they are.
What to do for minor injuries?
Minor injuries, घर पे यहाँ वहाँ लग जाता है. You banged into something, fallen. Heat treatment immediately is going to aggravate it. It's going to make it worse. Cold treatment, especially ice, is very effective. But remember, if 7 days have passed, then cold treatment will not work. In that case, massage or heat treatment. If a joint or muscle is paining very much, give it rest. Then try to understand what had gone wrong. Why has that particular muscle or joint reacted in this manner? Am I doing something wrong which is aggravating that particular joint or that particular muscle? That line of movement or that movement has to be corrected. Stretches and asanas we will be covering in subsequent videos for specific joints. But if you are having any issues with particular joint areas, then please mention in the comments box as to which are those areas that you need help with on an urgent basis. Because in that case, I'll make videos pertaining to those joint areas first, and then I'll go on to the others later.
Let's see the correct positions. Removing something from a lower level, suddenly bending, that's incorrect. Go down slowly on the knees, back straight. Taking out something, changing the angle at the waist, incorrect. Go in front of it and take out. Seeing the mobile with the neck bent for a long time, eyes strained, relax, both. Standing with neck bent for a long time, you'll hurt yourself. And this is working at a desk or laptop, correct positions.
If you are planning to go on walks, you need to build your muscles to be able to go for sustained walks. Otherwise, if your muscles are not ready for it, your knees are going to give way. Your food has to be correct accordingly so that your body is getting the right amount of calcium. You should get enough vitamin D from the sunlight itself, so that your calcium is able to be absorbed by the body.
Summarizing the points for the mind, मन के लिए क्या करना चाहिए? Pause the video at this point and read. And hear what to do for the body. शरीर के लिए क्या करना चाहिए? Pause the video and read. Haste makes waste. Haste also makes fractures and ligament tears.
I hope you found this video useful. See you again next time. Until then, namaste.